Welcome home, everybody. It's Magical Vacation Memories. We have a bit of an unboxing for you tonight. We picked up another new little toy to do some more video with, and to show a different point of view for certain things, whether it's at the parks or the resorts, anything like that, even just out and about, even on our car cruises. So stay tuned and watch for the opening of our new toy. And here it is. Without further ado, we got some Meta glasses. So here's the box. So in here, on this side are the little books and stuff. Already popped it open quickly, but on this side is where the cleaning cloth is. I stuck it in the case already. They don't come with a USB-C cable for charging, but the case is the charging case as well. So right here is your USB-C port to plug your case in. So this is your box. Not anything too fancy, but here's, so that glows to let you know that the now when it goes yellow, that means the case is low. So the case needs to be charged. When it's solid green, that means it's fully charged. When it goes yellow, that means the battery in the case is low. Comes with a cleaning cloth. It says Rayban Meta embossed into the cloth. But here are the glasses. Let's pop these out of here. But here's the, they don't come out easy. But right in here, if you can see it, right there is the charging point for the case. So ugly brown case, but what are you gonna do? But yeah, so there is where the glasses charge, right there. And then we close that back down. Flashes green. So on the glasses, in the nose pad right at the top, you can see the two little metal points. That is what rests on here for the charger. And here and here are your lenses. And then on the top of the arm, I got to go through all the stuff. There's a whole bunch of stuff you can do with it. But power button and stuff is on this side. So that slides. Comes with 32 gigs of storage built into them. You can take calls. You can actually, if they're connected to your phone, you can actually say like different phrases like, hey Meta, it'll go and get you information on things. It'll continue to, like, it records right now for 3 minutes. They're working on an update to go 5. So you can say, hey Meta, record, and it will record for up to 3 minutes. And on the glasses, if you're taking a photo, it'll flash once for the photo. If you're recording, there's a little white light that will flash to let people know that you are recording. So that's something to watch out for. These came with the polarized lenses. They're actually going to be changed out. I'm getting my prescription in them. It's primarily just readers. So I'm going to do a like a bifocal, but the clear will be on the top for me seeing distance, and the bottom section will be my prescription for reading. And they'll be clear when I'm inside, then they'll go dark like this when I'm outside. Transition lenses. There's little speakers in here, so if you're on the phone, you can hear your phone call. You can use them for your like a Bluetooth headset, so you can throw them on and listen to your music. Microphones built in the arms, 2 little dots. It's really tiny, hard to see, but there's there, and there's another one somewhere on the front of the glasses, or on the, right here by the bridge, like by the nose piece. I'm not sure if there you go, you can just barely see it. There's a mic there. So there's 3 mics on them. So we're going to test them out when we go to Florida and see how they work, and we'll report back at that time. But as of now, this is our unboxing, and these are our new Meta Rayban 53 53 mil glasses, 4K recording. Again, like I said, records up to 3 minutes, and then you can tell it to continue to record and it will turn back on and record some more. But yeah, if you have any questions about them, drop us a line and we will we'll answer as much as we can. Like I said, we just got them, so I haven't had a chance to use them yet. But once we do, I will have more answers for any of the questions you might have. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, welcome home.